Hello guys and welcome to another video. This time we are testing out a small device from Xtrons. On their website you will find various dedicated navigation systems, but also CarPlay adapters, wireless Android Auto and wireless CarPlay adapters like this one, and you can buy it using the link in the video description. But first, before testing it, you should know that this car, the Dacia Duster, it's a 2021 model, only has the wired CarPlay, and this small device turns it into wireless, as you will see in a couple of moments. In the package you get the device itself, you get an adapter for cars that have the USB Type-C ports. In our case we have the USB Type-A, so we won't be needing this adapter. And also we have a very thick instructions manual, different languages, all the necessary information is there. And another important thing, we have a small dual-sided tape, so we can stick this this device, yeah, somewhere here or somewhere onto the dashboard, so it won't fly around in the car while driving. Yeah, the installation is the simplest you can find. All we have to do is connect the device, Xtrons device. It's very nice that we have glass over here and a small LED, and this appears on the car, Apple CarPlay. And now we have to connect to the connection. So we have use USB connection, cell phone connection, Bluetooth. Click on the history link. Yeah, we have to connect via the Bluetooth. It's as simple as it can be. Let's quickly connect. Smartbox 6953. Yeah, we have iPhone Mi, Apple CarPlay, and it should appear there. Yeah, voila, we have the CarPlay connection. We don't need the cables anymore. We can use our phone without any problems. Let me just quickly activate the location services. They are activated, and this way we can use Google Maps, for instance. Recent searches.
Mergi spre vest pe DJ 178 DN17 către Stăr, Bânova.
Okay, let's try out the Waze.
Virează la stânga pe strada Aviatorului.
Okay, let's stop. We also have WhatsApp.
I'll need to access your WhatsApp data to use the app. Is that okay? Do you want to send a message or make a call?
Okay. We have the phone. We have music, messages, also a calendar, and if we want to exit, we just press the Dacia right here, or we can press the home button right here. Simple, useful, convenient, and of course at a reasonable price. Here we have a widget, the clock. Everything moves very nice. It's very practical, very small, and once you found a suitable place, let's say over here, yeah, you will forget about it in a couple of days. So if you want to buy it, use the link in the video description or in the first comment, and if you have other questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Thank you for your time, and until next time, drive safe and take care.